Everyone's vision of fundraising is probably Shark Tank. Like you walk into a room, there's some smart people, you talk about your idea for 10 minutes and then they offer you money like on the spot. That is not how this works at all. So first
That sounds great.
no, like I was like really disappointed. I had the first meeting because I had never raised money before I started this business. I'd been in small businesses, we bootstrapped, or we had needed cash in the bank and had to make money, and realized, okay, if I want to keep doing this, we're gonna have to raise money. And I had the first like fundraising meeting that somebody else set up, and I was like really surprised that they didn't like tell me no or offer me money like on the spot.